Writers, if you are on this video, you are checking your writing for capitalization. So no matter whether you have fiction, nonfiction, poetry, you are deciding where you need capital letters. I'm going to model that for you. I know that I need a capital letter at the beginning of every sentence. So I see here I need to change that lowercase I to an uppercase I. I am going to read my sentences out loud. That helps also to kind of slow down a little bit and make sure I would at least go every first letter of every sentence and make sure that it's capitalized. I would start with that first. So here, again, I have a lowercase I that I need to capitalize. I like to read books where characters are like me. Next, this needs to be a capital T, beginning of the sentence. They don't live fairy tale lives. This one I have capitalized. We have the same kinds of problems. Oh, many needs to be capitalized. M, many people read Sandra Cisneros' essay 11 and think it's about a girl who has to wear a sweater she doesn't want to wear. But needs to be capitalized. First letter in the sentence. I think the story is about a girl who struggles to hold on to herself when she is challenged by people who have power over her. Now I'm going to go through that paragraph, and I've noticed that maybe I have some proper nouns. I notice the author's name, Sandra Cisneros, needs to be capitalized. So I will go back and check that. I have a title here. The title of a story is called 11, so I need to capitalize that. And I don't think I have any other proper nouns, names, formal names of people, places, or things. So I think I'm okay there. And then I'll go ahead and move on to my next paragraph. So boys and girls, just kind of take your time, focus on your capitalization, break it up. I would check first that your first letter in every sentence is capitalized. And please remember that I by itself is never lowercase. Okay, you're always going to want to capitalize that. All right, good work and good luck checking your capitalization.